Airofit unboxing and first impressions review. So guys, Angus here with an unboxing video. This is the Airofit. It's a Danish company and it's a respiratory trainer. So let's get into it. This is Poppy, just in case you think you're hallucinating. Okay, so nice cardboard box on the outside. Stay a breath ahead. Open up, you got the inner box. Spoiler alert, I've already opened this. Made in Denmark, bit of instructions on the back. Had two little seals along the side there. Let's not waste too much time. Someone coming into the gym. Puppies. Okay, so the device itself, you will need to charge it when you get it. This unit here clips on. You plug that in with the cable supplied, give it a wee charge. Trainer there, spare mouthpiece. The cable, and it also comes with a wee caddy bag, and it comes with an instruction booklet. There's an accompanying app with this. I've been using it a little while, so I'll give it a full review on it. I quite like it. I think it's interesting. I think it's worth checking out, but I will be posting a review video shortly. And I also got a second one for my mum, who suffers from COPD, which is a breathing disorder, so she struggles with breath. And she had to play with her one yesterday, and it worked out pretty cool. So it'll be cool to see how two different people get on with a same device. Thanks for watching. Full review coming soon. Hit subscribe if you want to get notified when it's coming out.